Welcome to our discussion on navigating challenges in Arizona's community management landscape. Let's explore how recent economic uncertainties impact our communities. As we consider the impact of recent economic uncertainties, particularly in the banking sector, it's important to address how these issues resonate within the community management sphere in Arizona. While we won't dive deep into the banking specifics, the broader economic context has significantly influenced community decisions regarding maintenance and development projects. Over the past few years, we've observed a substantial increase in the cost of goods and services, an issue frequently highlighted by board members between 2018 and 2020. Many opted to postpone significant projects, anticipating a cooldown in the economy. However, the influx of COVID relief funds not only failed to provide the expected relief, but also led to increased inflation and diminished purchasing power. This was compounded by rising insurance costs, with many community budgets redirected from essential maintenance to cover these growing premiums. In light of these economic pressures, many communities face challenges in addressing deferred maintenance. The cost increases have sparked a significant debate among board members and homeowners alike, particularly when the conversation turns to funding these necessary projects. Concerns are often raised about potential drops in interest rates, with some suggesting further delays in project initiation based on speculative financial news. Debates among board members and homeowners often center on funding necessary projects. Concerns about potential interest rate drops lead to further delays based on speculative financial news. Misinformation can cause hesitancy in decision-making. It's crucial to ensure community boards make informed decisions based on credible sources. Transcend Community Management guides discussions and provides oversight, ensuring financial prudence without sacrificing necessary maintenance and upgrades. Trust is pivotal. Clear communication about project costs, timelines, and expectations is essential to prevent mistrust and ensure transparency. Trust plays a pivotal role in these interactions. There have been instances where community members suspect overcharges or inappropriate dealings, which only underscores the necessity for transparency in all our operations. Our approach involves clear communication about project costs, timelines, and expectations to ensure there is no ambiguity or room for mistrust. Effective management involves more than overseeing projects. We proactively support communities in understanding economic changes and navigating financial decisions. We ensure that if projects are more costly, they meet high standards of safety, insurance, and work quality that our communities deserve. Navigating community management in Arizona requires strategic foresight, clear communication, and robust management practices. We focus on guiding communities through economic challenges efficiently. For further assistance or to discuss specific community needs, contact Transcend Community Management at 480-750-7075. We're here to meet your community's management and maintenance needs with professionalism and integrity.